everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are building the LEGO Jack-O-Lantern pickup truck set 40822. It's a small Halloween build with 177 pieces and one minifigure. The pickup has a fun lowrider look and the big pumpkin on the back opens up to reveal a little spooky surprise inside. It's a neat seasonal set, great for display and perfect to bring a Halloween vibe to your LEGO collection. So let's jump into the build, and if you want to see more LEGO speed builds, don't forget to like and subscribe.